when you acquire market power, when you're able to get a monopoly, or you're able to get a cartel of a particular product or service, then the temptation to exercise power over others becomes extremely tempting, irresistible. And I'd like to think that that would also apply to politics. That if your system allows for the manipulation, or is an electoral system that leads to the concentration of power in a single person or even a small group of people, then you create that imbalance. There's no equilibrium in your society. Uh, and that's what we should be fighting for, is to restore an equilibrium between all the players. That's why we fight for our particular sector. If it's gender rights, because we feel that we've been imbalanced, we've been subject to an imbalance. We fight for that, and then it sort of rebalances. So everything is sort of a rebalancing, and we may be shocked with the way things were a century ago, 2 centuries ago, the way we treated women, the way we treated other races, or other classes of people. But so we are evolving. I'd like to think also, Joanne, with a touch of optimism, that we are actually evolving into a better race of creatures, and that it is in this concept of a political economy equilibrium that we rebalance everything.